Now, after completion of levels of the organization, next we are discussing about another one is symmetry. Symmetry. Another topic is symmetry. So what is the symmetry? Symmetry is nothing but it is refers to a structure of the organism. A structure of the organism is known as a symmetry. What is the a simple definition about the symmetry is known as a structure of the organism. Structure of the organism is called as a symmetry. According to their structure, the organism in animal kingdom, the organisms are can be the organisms are shown a 5 different type of symmetries. According to their structure, in this animal, total animal kingdom shows 5 different type of symmetries are there. First one is asymmetry. Asymmetry. Asymmetry nothing but A means absent, symmetry means structure. A means absent, symmetry means structure. Absence of the structure. Absence of structure of the organism. Absence of structure of the organism. Structure of the organism. This type of symmetry known as asymmetry. Asymmetry nothing but the irregular arrangement of the structure around the central axis. The irregular arrangements arrangement around the central axis. Around the central axis means the organisms are cannot able to divide it in a two equal halves any pole of the central axis. Means these are completely irregular arrangements, irregular structure of the body. So the body cannot able to divide into two equal halves from any plane of the central axis. The body cannot able to divide it, divided into two equal halves. Two equal halves from any plane of the of the central axis. From the any plane of the central axis means these are completely irregular arrangements, so cannot able to divide into equal halves. Example, amoebas. These amoebas are shown irregular arrangement, nothing but asymmetry. The irregular shapes are there. This around the central axis we cannot able to divide it as a two equal halves from the any plane of the central axis. Are you clear? So this is known as a asymmetry. This is known as asymmetry. Asymmetry nothing but A means absence, symmetry means structure. These individuals are absence of structure in primitive individuals such as unicellular organisms or protista. So the irregular arrangements of body parts around the central axis, the body cannot able to divide into two equal halves. That is known as a asymmetry. Second one is spherical symmetry. What is the spherical symmetry? This symmetry, the body of the organism, it is completely divided into two equal halves. It means the body of the organism is divided into a more number of the parts, more number of the equal parts from the central axis. The body of the organism can be divided into more number of equal parts around the central axis. These are arranged around the central axis. The body of the organism The body of the organism divides into equal halves from any plane of the central axis. Equal halves from any plane of central axis. Any plane of the central axis. This type of symmetry is known as a spherical symmetry. Are you clear? As example, wall wax. Wall wax is shown spherical symmetry. So this is a wall wax. This undercomes into protozoa in Coeliophora. The amoeba undercomes into protozoa in Rhizopoda. This undercomes into protozoa in class of Coeliophora. So this is spherical, nothing but round in structure. Wall wax, it is able to divide into two equal halves. So this is able to form two equal halves. Can divide into 4 equal halves, 6 equal halves. Yeah, means if you can divide in any plane, the body can able to form equal halves. Any plane of the central axis. That is known as a spherical symmetry. Are you clear? Spherical symmetry. The third one is radial symmetry. Yes, the radial symmetry nothing but the body of the organism, it can be divided into two equal halves from top to bottom. This type of symmetry is known as the body of the organism can able to divide into two equal halves from the central axis up to top to bottom. The body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves. Radial nothing but anterior to posterior, top to bottom. Two equal halves from anterior to posterior. Two equal halves. Or example known as called as a top to bottom. Top to bottom, this can able to formation of two equal halves. The body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves from the top to bottom. That is known as a linear division. That is called as a radial symmetry. This radial symmetry is shown in porifera, sponges, in spongy, porifera, and coelenterata, arnidaria. These are cylinder-like structure. The body can able to divide into two equal halves. Like this. If you want to be dividing the porifera can able to formation of two equal halves. Next one, coelenterata. Then can able to divide into two equal halves. From up to top to bottom. This type of symmetry is known as a radial symmetry. The fourth one is bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry nothing but the body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves, only one plane of the central axis. The body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves, only one plane of the central axis. Example, the body, write down, the body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves. From only one plane. Only one plane of central axis. So this is one of the organism. Example, Platyhelminthes. Is known as a lateral division. Okay, the body of the lateral symmetry, the body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves. Only one plane of the central axis, lateral division of the body can able to formation of two equal halves. Radial nothing but this is known as anterior position, top to bottom. This is known as the lateral division. So two equal halves, one half and two halves. There is a no chance for the any plane of central axis, only one plane of the central axis. The second one, the fifth one is biradial symmetry. Biradial symmetry. What is a biradial symmetry? In this type of symmetry consistent of radial and bilateral symmetry. The combination of bilateral and radial symmetry is known as biradial symmetry. In this symmetry, the body of the organism can be divided into two equal halves by passing through the two symmetries through axis. Nothing more. The body of the organism can able to formation of two equal halves by the passes of biradial and radial. So bilateral and radial symmetry. Biradial and bilateral symmetry. Example, ctenophora. Ctenophoras are shown biradial symmetry. Now we are completion about what are they, the symmetries are there. What is the symmetry? The structure of the organism is known as the symmetry. According to their structure, the symmetries are only 5 types in any complete animal kingdom. What are the? Asymmetry, spherical symmetry, radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry, biradial symmetry. First one, asymmetry is nothing but A means absent, symmetry means structure. This type of individuals are irregularly arrangement of the body parts around the central axis. So this type of organisms are cannot able to divide into two equal halves. So these are shown asymmetrical order. Nothing but these are shown asymmetrical symmetry. Okay, example, amoeba. Second one is spherical symmetry. What is the spherical symmetry? This type of individuals are round in structure. These are around the central axis. The body of the organism can able to formation of two equal halves around the central axis from the any plane of the central axis. If you can able to divide it, you can choose any plane. It can able to formation of two equal halves. You can choose any plane. You can divide it. The organisms are shown two equal halves from the any plane of the central axis. That is spherical. Radial symmetry is nothing but this is one of the symmetry. The body of the organism can able to divide it to equal halves from top to bottom. The type of symmetry is known as radial symmetry. Spherical symmetry example, valvex. Radial symmetry examples of the radial symmetry is coelenterate and sponges. Next one, bilateral symmetry, nothing but the body of the organism can able to divide into two equal halves. Only one plane of the central axis, not any plane. Only one plane of the central axis can able to divide into two equal halves. That is known as a bilateral symmetry. Example, planaria in platyhelminthes. Biradial symmetry, the combination of bilateral and radial symmetry. The body of the organism can able to divide into two equal halves by passing of two symmetries. That is known as a biradial symmetry. Example, ctenophora.